Hey, best I can do. Richie Dotson coming to you again from Chateau Debris, a.k.a. my office, my shop. You can find us online at acousticbox.com, or at our direct link to our web store is banjomart.com. And what have I got here? I rarely post things for sale because they come and go so quickly. However, this is a late 1930s, excuse me, TB1 new conversion neck that we built and installed. This has a mixture of 1950s hardware and an unknown flange. And Yaroslav Yarda Pruka sent us this tailpiece to test out. It's his newest. It's got the nubs on the bottom and no flap. Not too bad. Check it out. If it's not released yet, it will be soon. So, this has the most belt buckle rashed resonator. I'm not going to refinish it. This also has an outlet for your jack if you're so inclined, or not. Priced to sell. If you go to banjomart.com, you'll be able to see this. Lots of photographs, maybe too many photographs. I may have to edit those. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'll tell you the truth. But if you want to pick this up in person, it's $2,700. You get a lightweight hoop banjo, all the power and tone. Why would you need a tone ring if you've got this thing? And if you're getting very arthritic like me, you really appreciate the 3 pounds less thing. We're calling this one the Ugly Duckling, and it's a bargain pre-war with a brand new Dotson neck. Godo tuners, we haven't even spiked it yet. Whoever purchases it can tell us where you want your spikes. If you want a sliding capo, you're on your own. I don't like those things. So anyway, you can give us a call or text us at 804-804-790-1705. You can email us at richie@acousticbox.com. You can log on to acousticbox.com, find all of that information. And if you come here in person to pick it up and bring cash, we'll cut a deal. Yeah, we'll give you something off anyway. Thank you for watching. And this is a late 1930s. There's no FON on the inside of the wood rim. She has been put through the ringer, but when we assembled it yesterday, I thought, my God, this would be the perfect killer banjo to haul around at a festival and not have to worry so much about. Or you can color and refinish the resonator yourself. We just don't have time to take that on. And I think you're getting a great deal for a fantastic instrument. Anyway, holler at us. Thank you for watching. If you like our content, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you would. We love those, and we respond to them. And of course, we'll respond to lunchtime too. But anyway, holler at us, and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, say howdy, give us a thumbs up, and thank you.